Hey there friend, Joe Hain here, and in this video I'm going to share a quick breathing technique that really helps to just purge or release any anxiety and stress. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. It is my sincerest pleasure and honor to help you along your journey, and I have a ton of stuff on mindset, spirituality, meditation, manifestation, and a little bit about my journey. So thanks for subscribing. Let me know if you have any questions, and let's get started. This technique only takes a few minutes, but a lot of times we are riddled with anxiety and stress and our hands are actually trembling. We need to purge that emotion and center in on peace and presence and just feel a little bit of relief. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a nice deep breath for 5 seconds. During that inhalation, you're gonna tense your entire body, kind of like I'm throwing a medicine ball to you and you have to catch it using your whole entire body. So you're gonna tense your arms and your shoulders and your chest and your quads and your calves and your feet and your fingers and just hold that tension as you inhale. So the first part's just gonna be 5 seconds inhalation while tensing your body. Second part is to hold the breath for an additional 5 seconds as well as the tension, almost like you're straining out a towel. You want to get the very last of that water out. That's what you're going to be doing by straining the entire body like that and holding the breath. Third part is the exhalation. It's called a double exhalation. It sounds like this. Ha ha. And you'll see I'll actually press my hands away from myself and go ha ha, as if I am pressing away that negative toxic energy on that release. So the whole thing is gonna go 5 seconds, inhale, tensing the body, hold that tension and the breath for another 5 seconds, then dump the air, the exhalation, pressing the hands away, ha ha, and then you will repeat that 3 to 5 times. Here's what it looks like. Afterwards, shake out your arms a little bit, your hands, your fingers, roll your head from side to side, pop it up and down your shoulders like that. Just let out all of that remaining little excess of unwanted energy. Take a nice deep breath. Allow yourself to catch your breath. Few of them here, nice, centered, and then smile. And there is a really nice stress relief and anxiety relief breathwork practice. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I will see you in the next video.